How to hide a section on Elementor. So here I've just logged into my Elementor account. I'll click on edit with Elementor. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to create a section that I want to hide. So I'll just select text editor here and it's going to appear here. Now, how can we actually hide this section? If we go to the advanced tab and if we scroll down, you will be able to see this responsive tab. So click on responsive, so the drop down menu appears and you will be able to see that we have different options here. So we can hide this section on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. Now, depending on where you want to hide it, you'll simply toggle this on. And if you want to hide it completely from all three here, we will just toggle all three of these, and then we'll just publish our changes. And that's how you hide a section in Elementor. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.